Hey guys, the 2024 season of Formula Drift is about to start, so we are starting prep. We're starting prep probably a little bit too late, but we kind of didn't have a workshop to kind of work in. So what I made sure is we had a workshop to work in. We built the workshop. Now we can finally start pulling the car apart and start prep. First thing, I'm gonna get the engine out. I'm gonna check over that diff, winters, pull that apart, make sure everything's all right there. The gearbox has to come out. I need to replace some gearbox forks in that, so I need to get some part numbers out of that. And we got to send the clutch for a rebuild in Australia by Direct Clutch. Other than that, we're hoping to give the car a few upgrades, but we will see if time permits us. Like, Formula Drift is in a month's time, so we will see. But anyway, if you haven't seen the other videos that we have been posting, we have the Okanara series, all the school stuff we've been posting, make sure you jump back and watch a few of those videos, and that way you guys will be up to date. So the great thing about Formula Drift cars is they come apart really easy. So this should probably only take us an hour and a half maybe. So let's see how fast we can get all this stuff out, and let's see if I remember how to work on cars. Like, didn't work on too many cars last year, so I'm getting back into it, getting back on the tools. Let's get to work.
Happen.
All right, so just then I pulled out all the axle bolts. That way I can just drop the diff now. So it's like 6 axle bolts per side of the diff, 1 breather, the diff mounting bolts, and it all falls down. So not too much work to get these out. 10 by 1.5. Usually these are all Imperial threads, being American. So the diff, the gearbox everything's Imperial on them because it's American. So you got a car that's half Japanese, half American. Alright guys, so check this out. This is quite cool. If you're building a car of this caliber that you've always got to pull your gearbox in and out, make sure you put crook release on the clutch. That way you can have clutches in and out on your slave cylinder. You don't have to rebuild it. It's a matter of just grabbing that. So it's a matter of just pulling that back, pulling that off. Done. Clutch is bled up still. No air has got into it, so I can just reconnect that and it's good to go. We will bleed it. Because obviously we'll put fresh fluids through everything before the new season, but that is really handy when you got to pull a gearbox out really quickly, and when you're between rounds you don't want to be really bleeding your clutch because it's pain. All right, next. Yes, I'm pulling the gearbox out. Put it drown the sound of your Just kind of figuring it out as I go along. Just a throttle cable and, oh, just wiring pretty much. So that power cable, the catch can, throttle cable, and other wires. Other than that, it's ready to go. Come on, come back. There we go. That's fine. Come on. That's one engine out. How are we doing for time, Victor? I think we're a little bit over the hour, but close to it, I guess. But yeah, engine, gearbox, diff out, plus the body panels. Let's call it a night, I guess, because I'm hungry, Victor's cold, and yeah, we'll continue this on another video, but I guess we'll end it here tonight. Oh yeah, just remember to keep subscribing, keep sharing, keep liking, keep commenting. Tell me all the things I did wrong in the comments below. All right, peace.